What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video, alright? And in this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful tool that Trusted Signals has to offer. In my opinion, this has helped my trading 10x. And I think that this is actually going to help you become a more profitable trader and win more trades, lose less trades, because this is very simple method, has been proven time and time again, and I will show you why this is the greatest indicator of all. Now let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. As you can see here, I have gold on a 5-minute chart. This indicator right here, this divergence oscillator, is the most important indicator that I use, and this is one of my confirmations that I always need, and when I do not follow my rules, I lose the trade. Keep in mind, this will also keep you out of trades you have no reason to enter. This is the most important reason why I use this indicator. And this is the Trusted Signals Divergence Oscillator. Now this oscillator here has a ton of oscillators built into it. Right now, currently, this is the Trusted Signals Oscillator, but they also have the RSI oscillator. As you can see here, boom, it's gonna change. And this is gonna go ahead and give you the best confirmations to go ahead and enter your trade. I'm gonna leave it on the Trusted Signals Oscillator because this is actually tweaked for the best settings. Shout out to the developers for keeping this thing always sick. And then you can also look at hidden divergences where there is a high probability of a reversal. Okay, so there is a few ways to use this indicator, and I'm going to show you that right now. Now for this specific method, all right, for entry, we're actually going to go ahead and turn off hidden divergences, and we're going to only show regular divergences. The alerts are very big, and as you guys can see here, every time there is alert, bear, boom, there's a tank, right, bullish. These are the most powerful tools in the system, and this is going to give you that capability to catch the market when it's bouncing, right? Keep in mind that me personally, I want this to hit at the same time as a support or a resistance level is being made, because as you can see, once a resistance level was made, then a bearish came out, we tanked, right? We started finding support, we broke out of this purple area. Keep in mind that this is how I take my trades almost every single time, and if you follow me on IG, you know that my entries have been solid on gold, because gold is the only thing that I've been trading. Me personally, I'm killing gold right now. I am not moving from it. US 30 used to be my baby, but now I have to move away. I'm on gold right now until after New Year. Right now I'm on gold because it is fluctuating beautifully between these levels that I can know, okay, it's coming back to our key level, enter, oh, it's coming back to an overbought area, boom, get in for a sell, and so on. Now this purple channel, let's say we have everything turned off. I don't even necessarily even need to look at this. I can literally look at a trade like this, and all of the trades are gonna be in my favor. I'm looking for a pop out of this purple channel. What I like to actually do is, if it pops out of the water, right, you're gonna wanna go ahead and enter. Now, me personally, I am not taking any trades that is in this purple channel. So getting into entering a trade, this is what I'm looking for, and these are my confirmations, right? I am looking for a area where we're actually overbought and oversold, right? Now, what I actually love is when a big move plays out and you can see that we're overbought within this indicator. And what I mean by overbought is when this is out, this is going to give you the best chance to enter a trade, and this is where you're going to want to enter a trade, right? Especially when it gives the actual alerts and says whether it's bearish, whether it's bullish, right? Because as you can see here, every time there's a bearish, tank, right? This one kind of because guess what, it wasn't out of the water so much, right? Bullish went up, bullish went up. Using this and using the second confirmation of the hidden divergence is a great indicator on when to exit the trade. Now this is the cool feature that maybe a lot of you guys do not know about. Now the hidden divergence oscillator is going to give you the great ability to know that not only am I in on this sell, but there is a high probability that we're going to have a reversal. You know when you're taking a trade and you're in profit $100, $200, you're in a profit $1,000, and you don't take the profit, and then you end up hitting your stop loss in profit for only $35 when you could have made $5,000 off of that trade, right? This is exactly what I mean by the divergence oscillator giving you the ability to go ahead and get in the market, get out the market. And if you look at this and you backtest this, this has worked numerous times. Now, keep in mind, we're out of the water. You're going to take a buy here, right? When are you going to take profit? Right around here. You don't care that it goes up a little bit more, but guess what? You already rode this trade from here to here. These are pips. On gold, this is a few $100s. If the right lot size is put, this is a few $1,000s, right? Let's go ahead and come back here, right? Bullish, right? And this is the beauty of this specific indicator. When you're getting in on a trade that is bullish here, most likely the drawdown meter is gonna be 10 times less because we're already completely oversold. If we're already in a buy here, your drawdown, guess what? You're barely still in drawdown, even though this trade doesn't go anywhere, and you're still out of the trade on this bullish divergence because you know, all right, no, I'm in the wrong way. This is gonna tank, right? Let's keep on looking. Bullish, we're taking a trade and we're getting out at the peak, right? So you can use the fish out the water as well to go ahead and take your profit. Now, these hidden divergences are showing bullish movement, but these are not trades that you want to take because guess where they're happening? They're happening within the channel. They're happening near the channel. This one, it came in the channel, but not so much. Now, this one is out. This one is out. We're taking this trade. We're entering here. No drawdown. Tank. And if you want to swing trade it, now you can move to even the hour chart, right? So let's say you enter on the smaller time frame on a sell right here. Now, boom, you're writing this down for 1 hour. You're catching all of these pips, and when you're getting out, when it breaks out of the water, right? When it breaks out, boom. This is a very powerful tool. I think that you guys need to all trade this, and you can use this at any time period. Remember, getting into a trade, you're gonna wanna have just the regular divergence, check. And then when you want to hop out of the trade, turn on the hidden divergence. And this is a crazy indicator that is going to give you the ability to get in here and hop out here. Get in here, hop out here. Bearish, boom, get out. Small pips. And then now you know, all right, instead of holding this trade thinking that it's going to come all the way down to the support line, guess what? Hey, it's going to have a reversal. You can get in, scalp it, come back up. You are literally scalping the market. You're eating off of ups, downs, ups, downs, ups, downs, ups, downs. And this is how you grow your account 10x. 10x. Until the next video, your boy is out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I have a lot more for you guys, and make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button, notifications, and until the next video, I'm out. Peace.